Okay guys, I'm going to show you one of our 2024 SALEM FSX, and I do not even think that I've looked at this layout before until today, so I'm excited to show you. If you're looking for a bunkhouse, if you're looking for something small, great price. Plenty of space to do your thing. It's got a slide. I mean, it's just a perfect little layout if you're looking for something where you're going to go camping, have a lot of fun, being able to tow something. It's a smaller unit, but it has everything you want. So let's go from the outside in so that I can show you, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments. And if you do want information, of course, let me know. All right, let's go. We have the SALEM FSX. The model number is 178BHSK. It is your 2024. You do have one slide on this side, and then you have your long awning, your electric awning on this side. Now I have not looked in here to see what we got, so I'm gonna have to raise it up. Let's see. So we got our griddle and plenty of storage, and you do have a fridge as well. Very nice. Of course, you can move that fridge right up here for easy access. But I love that you have an outdoor kitchen. This is also a tankless on demand, so that is super nice. And then you do have your backup camera prep and shower right back here. So let's take a look inside. So this is why I was excited to show you guys this, because one, the amount of space for a smaller unit, I mean, it can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people. Maybe they might say this is one, but it is quite big when you put it all together, because this goes down, those go around, and this can be a couch or it can be a bed. And let me tell you, I love the material that they used for this, and I love the length that they made it. This, you know, how long they made it. It's absolutely perfect for those, you know, family of 4, family of 6 even. But it goes all the way around. You can swivel this as well. I like that it's on top of the slide, giving you that little lift. And you do have storage underneath as well. Right here is your couch and your Murphy bed. Super easy. You make this into a bed, and then you bring your bed down. Super simple. And you got storage underneath and storage on the sides, plus your little side tables. You also have more storage here all the way across, and you do have cubbies on each side as well. Love it. You got a nice big window right behind your dinette, which of course it is keeping the heat out right now, so that is perfect. And then you got a perfect little kitchen. You got a 2-burner, plenty of storage, a microwave, and let me look under here. So yeah, plenty of storage back here. And a nice little sink. I love this sink. I like the round sinks, and it's really just everything that you could need in a kitchen. A nice big fridge, and one of these amazing fridges that actually open up on both sides. Kids love these, adults love these, or at least I do. But it's really nice. You got your bunks right here, one here, one here, and then of course you've got your privacy curtain as well. And then right here you've got a nice size shower and bathroom. Plenty of room. I like that they made this shower more of a walk-in shower. Just gives everybody a little bit more space. You got your sink, storage, and just again, plenty of space here to do your thing. All right guys, so what do y'all think of this unit? Let me know if you want more information, because the price is only $18,836. I mean, this is gonna go. I love it. If you're looking for, you know, something small, something that covers the whole family, you're ready to go, this is definitely one you got to come look at. All right, guys, if you need anything else, want any more information, call, text, or email. My information's below. But until next time.